How to add money to PayPal without bank account. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then go to paypal.com. Once you are in PayPal, the first thing you need to do is sign up if you still do not have a PayPal account. Once on PayPal, click on Personal and click on Get Started. Then, select your country or region. Once you already are done setting up your PayPal account, in here I will be reading to you a step-by-step process on how to add money to PayPal without bank account. There are only 4 steps. Number 1, tap Add Money beside your balance. Step number 2, select your preferred way of adding money. Step 3, enter the amount. And then step 4, choose either in seconds with debit or up to 5 days with your bank. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.